In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a meeting on Calendly. So this is really easy to do. And first step is make sure that you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you want to create it. It's very simple to do. And after that, you should land on this main page of Calendly. And on the left side, you should see something like scheduling. So from here, you can schedule your meeting. So let's say I'm going to click on create a new one. So you need to click on this button to create a new meeting. And then you can choose type. So let's say you can choose one-on-one. So this is good for coffee chats, interviews, etc. And then you can also choose group. So there's going to be like one host and multiple invitees. This is good for webinars, online classes, and more. Also, you have round robin. So there are rotating hosts, and this is good to distribute meetings between team members. And you have also collective, so multiple hosts, panel interviews, group sales calls, and you have also some more ways to meet. So you can use meeting pool or one-off meeting. And let's say I will create this one-on-one, this basic meeting. And now this should open this window on the right side where you can name your meeting. So let's say test meeting. You can set the duration of the meeting. So you can set it, let's say 1 hour, or you can even set the custom time. So let's say it's going to be 1 hour. Now you can choose the location or type of the platform where meeting will be. So you can choose if you want to make it on Zoom. You can click on Zoom and then you just have to connect your Zoom account to it. Or you can also choose different options like Google Meet, Teams, or you can also make phone call, in person. So let's say I will go with the Zoom. And then you have the availability. So basically this means that invitees can schedule meetings with you in those times. So you can see a whole week over here. So you can customize it if you click on this edit schedule. All right, and from here you can remove days when you don't want to have meetings. So let's say you can remove Saturday, or you can customize time. So let's say I want to have Friday only from 8 a.m. to, I don't know, 12 a.m. So I'm going to search for it like this, and you can customize it however you want. Then apply it. You want to apply, and that's how you can change availability. And then basically host, you can type the host email here, who is going to be host of the meeting. So this is me. You can also change it. So you can add different persons over here, right? And then you want to click on create. And this is basically the preview. How is it going to look? So if I click, let's say on, I don't know, Friday 20, you can see the times are only those. You can see the Saturday is turned off. And now if you open this in a live window, so you want to click on this button over here, you can see this is how it's going to look like. And now we can test the meeting. So let's say I'm going to choose Friday, 8 a.m. next. And then you want to enter details. So I'm going to quickly type test name, my email, and then you can also add guests. So guests email, and it will notify them about this scheduled event. You can also share anything that will help prepare for our meeting. So maybe some notes. Then you want to click on schedule event. And you are scheduled. So now you just want to open your email address, and you should receive invitation for this meeting. So if I open my email, you can see I received this invitation. And from here, you can see all the details you need to know. So you can also see the Zoom link. So if I click on this, this is the link which I need to open to join the meeting, because it is a Zoom meeting as I choose before. But you can choose different meetings. You can choose Team, Microsoft Teams. You can choose Google Meets and whatever you want. And this is basically it. So this is how you can, and also I forgot that there's this password. So you will need to enter this password in order to join to this Zoom meeting, all right? And that's basically it. So if I now go back in my meetings, over here in Calendly, you can see it under scheduling. So here you can see all of the meetings you have. So today I have 2 meetings, and you can also open the details of the meetings. And if you want to cancel it, you can also cancel meeting from here as well, or you can reschedule different time. So let's say if I want to cancel it, I'm going to type we are canceling this meeting, and yes, cancel. It's going to cancel the meeting. And this is all for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.